yeah, yesterday, like, seeing all of my old classmates, high school classmates, bro, like, it brought back a lot of feelings.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the bar, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I like you like this, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's ex, how I get here. I like you like this, I still love you. Rather be in jail than alone.
Okay, so I'm going to watch The Nun 2, attempt to. You know, that's a movie that's already in the theaters, but I have a website that I watch. Very good quality.
The sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. The sex gon' be evidence. The sex is evidence. I try to rationate you no more. There's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom. I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase, man.
I want all the aunties.
I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'll be in there. Just to tell me there's a
Good morning, people. I just have not been vlogging the way I'm supposed to. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am dropping the ball with Vlogtober. I said I was going to upload every day, but this is going to be the most I've ever uploaded on my YouTube channel. So I'm still proud of myself. I am. I don't know what I'm doing today, but y'all, it is cold today. The cold front in Louisiana is officially here. But y'all already know I'm going to have to start out with my coffee this morning. I lit my candle. I turned my little screensaver on my TV to kind of make it feel warm and cozy in here. I turned on the fireplace, the electric fireplace. And because it was cold in here, y'all. It was cold. This is what outside is looking like. I do need to go and water my plant out there. But this is what outside is looking like this morning. So you guys saw in the other vlog that they had been working on my cabinets. My mom and my dad, they finished. We have come to the conclusion of not painting them back white. They're gonna stay the color they are, but they do have to put like a gloss over it. But for now, we are in the process of organizing the inside of my cabinets. There last night, but then I ended up going to homecoming festivities. So it was nice vibes. It was nice vibes. Very nice vibes. They also have homecoming festivities tonight as well. Today or whatever. But today and tonight. But I don't think I'm going to be partaking in those. I highly doubt it. I didn't buy outfits or nothing like that for this weekend. So, but yeah, yesterday, like, seeing all of my old classmates, high school classmates, bro, like, it brought back a lot of feelings. It brought back a lot of memories. It brought back so much. This is what we have so far with the cabinets. I'm organizing my seasonings. And y'all, we have to paint where the old cabinets were. Yes, she has on her little onesie, her fall onesie from Amazon, I believe. And we just kind of threw her hair up this morning. No bows, because I wasn't really planning on going anywhere today. But she has a cute little onesie on. It says, cutest pumpkin. Look, we got free stuff, Cookie. Cookie! Okay, so I decided not to cook today. I wanted to, but I saved it for like another day, y'all. I just do not feel like it at all. So I'm going to go get me a piece of Johnny's pizza. And that's what we're gonna do. I have a pickup order for my kale Trent. It was an online order.
Kill my ex. I still love you.
Let me show y'all. He took the doors off the top, like I said I wanted them. Got the trimming at the top, but we still got to paint up there. But the trimming is up there now. Took the doors off these as well at the top to make a cute little display area. We're gonna put lights up there. Now we've got some pieces of accent orange in the kitchen for fall. Just showing y'all. And we're watching the Haunted Mansion. Oh, my mom brought me one of my most favorite candles. I can't tell y'all where it's from. So I didn't show y'all my little short set with the sweatshirt. It's so cute and comfortable. It says Maine on it. I want to say it's like the state of Maine, but I got it because that is my man's nickname. So I got it, you know.